and gentlemen, we are on the final approach and we will be landing in a few minutes. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew, landing stations. After landing, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened. We shall be announcing the row numbers to guide you for an orderly disembarkation. Ilang manatiling nakaupo at nakabit na seatbelt hanggang ang fasten seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Maaari lamang po kayong tumayo at kunin ang inyong mga gamit patapos marinig ang inyong row number para sa maayos sa pagbaba. Maraming salamat po.